Okay. So you see this screen, right? This is the plant chart. And all these three, subclass 1, subclass 2, and subclass 3, they are very, very similar. And all of these three are before separation from the womb. Okay. Subclass 4 is the stage of infancy. This is the stage of nutrition. Before this is subclass 1 is before separation. You are in other world. You're all scattered. You're not, you're not here yet. Subclass 2 is confusion, whether I'm here or whether I'm not here. So there is clear, there's up and down and, things like that. I'm not grounded. I don't feel as if I'm here. And subclass 3 has the similar story. It is a continuation of the subclass 2. But here now there is a struggle to separate. Yeah, so this case, if you see in the third case, so beautifully she's describing the womb. Isn't it? No confusion. She's actually describing the womb. Whether it is the energy shield, it is the egg, or whatever she's taking, whatever she's going inside, protecting herself, closing in. But what she's saying that after a point, this closing in becomes suffocated. It's like the umbilical cord around the neck. Now this womb is too much. So I have to separate. She has to go away from her children after some time. Her mother is too dominating for her and she's struggling with her relationship with her mother. Okay. See, we've just, her sessions are very deep and, each session is 1.5 hours long. And, you try to kind of summarize it in 20 minutes, but you get the gist, right? There is a struggle. There is a struggle to separate, struggle to be independent. So after subclass 1, subclass 2 is a continuation of the story, of the journey of subclass 1. Okay. And similarly, when subclass 2 ends with Fagels, you have trees like the oak tree, for example, over here. When you enter the subclass 3, it is a continuation of the subclass 2. So it's going to have similarities, but here now I need to separate from the womb. I have to come out. It is similar to nitrogen and oxygen, what Dr. Chanda had explained. Okay. So subclass 2 is still within the womb. It is lithium, beryllium, boron, and carbon. Okay. But now in subclass 3, you are more like nitrogen, oxygen. Okay. And you are trying to separate. Now the same womb is suffocating and you want to separate. Okay. So with this, let's go to subclass 3.